All right, I forget what this bar is called, but I originally found this because of this phone booth. You don't see many of these anymore. In fact, I don't see any of these anymore. Look at the condition of this. I did have pictures of this before. Can't open it. They got a light on there down there, so yeah, it's on display. But this bar, there's a camera up there. This is a bar restaurant. I've heard many people talk about it. It's kind of a odd-shaped building. So it's been for sale for a long time. It's kind of cool. I wonder if I could look inside. So people told me there is a round bar in there that you sit at. And the bar actually turns slowly while you are sitting there. Let's see. I don't think we can see anything inside there. I think that would be really kind of freaky, huh? You're sitting there at the bar, it's slowly turning. You're drinking there for a half hour or two. Well, 10 minutes, whatever. And then you get up to go to the bathroom and it's a completely different spot. That's a nice chimney there, isn't it? So like I said, this bar's been for sale for quite a while. I don't know if somebody bought it. Looks like the for sale signs are gone on it. There's a trailer here with all kinds of stuff. So maybe somebody bought it and they're getting ready to fix it up. Some wind. Let's see how these microphones do in the wind. This is a really cool building. Look at those big I-beams. This thing looks solid. Nice rocks along the outside. Wish I could go inside. All right, I just wanted to stop, check this out. I hope that trailer over there means somebody's actually bought it and is working on it. You can see the signs down. I don't see any. Oh, there might be the for sale signs right there. Oh, I didn't see this. I see something underneath there. Do you see it? I was getting ready to leave.
Rolling down the back roads, chasing time gone by. Old bridges, lost stories, under Midwest skies. Those constant points of interest where the past still shines. I'll see you down the highway at the next roadside sign. Wisconsin points of interest where the past still shines. Wisconsin points of interest where the past still shines.